Hi, so I use a qualitative approach when researching my topic, how social media affects the youth, since qualitative research addresses the how and why research questions and enables a deeper understanding of experience, context, and phenomena. Qualitative research allows you to ask questions that cannot be easily put into numbers to understand human experience. When discussing the effects on the brain, it wasn't easy to put it into a measurement in numbers, so it was overall the best approach for me. For me, it's not for me to explain the phenomena completely, it's just to better understand it. Now let's move on to my research questions, hypothesis, and goals. I have how can social media affect or influence the youth? What are the negative effects of social media? Does social media have any benefits? And my hypothesis is social media creates a harmful environment for the youth. My goal was to see if there was any direct connection between social media and the mental health of adolescents. Next, let's review the 3 literature review articles from the Communication Source Database on the TTU Library website. My first article was actually multiple personal interviews that were conducted on Facebook on social media platform. And it was very interesting because I've been studying the other half of this research about how actually social media can be harmful. But in this case, it was actually beneficial since a lot of adolescents felt comfortable enough to speak online, especially during COVID times. This is the main source of them talking to other people. Since right now it's the main platform, especially during COVID, for adolescents to actually seek out and reach people through social media. For my variables, I would have adolescents, which would be my co-researchers. For my independent variable, it would be the level of exposure of social media. My operational will be conduct interviews, self-report anonymous surveys, and focus groups for our nominal level measurement. Measurement from the textbook is quoted, determining our quantity through systematic and organization of observations. Since my topic was so broad, I knew the effects could be different from person to person and in different time and intensity. With personal interviews, I was able to dig deeper and use a sort of time series analysis. With the topic, the only way to measure damage or effects would be over a period of time, and I was able to use focus groups, personal interviews for a mixed method for more validity.